Got right here waterproof case plus Bluetooth speaker. That's one of a kind, still the same, really good brand. There's the advertisement. First of all, you have a carabiner, speaker, sound up, down, pause, play, skip the song, all the good stuff. And boom, wow, check this out. There's on and off right here. That is cool, so that way you don't turn it on and off by mistake. So then whenever you're ready to play it, you turn it on.
Speaker on.
That's cool. Or you can just turn it off right here. That is cool. And the charge plug is right here. Never seen a speaker like that. And obviously it'll fit your phone over here, even really big ones, and your wallet, your keys, whatever. That is nice. Wow, comes with everything you need. And it's obviously waterproof. That is so cool. I never seen a speaker waterproof case before. Got it here, easy knives, little pouch right here, little survival errors. I never seen one of this with a pouch, and look how well it puts away. This thing is really sharp, super cool. So you can make a little spear out of it, arrows, whatever. There's a second one, and this is easy knives and AH1. Pretty awesome. This is pretty sharp, so probably could make a little spear out of it and get 2 spears or arrows. I really love the pouch inside the leather, so unique. Next tool, come up with the new spoons. Comes with a holder, but you don't have to have a holder, just send it off. That way it takes up way less, but up to you, can bring a holder. So looks like it sits together really well. It's not gonna fall apart. If you need to take it off, just slide it over and take it out. And you have pretty decent fork over here. I love how the spoon is not too small. Too many times the spoons are just too tiny, the camping spoons. And to put it away, lock it back in, boom. Doesn't take up too much space at all. But also if you want to put it in a holder, there you go, you can do that as well. It does take up a little bit more space with the holder. Got it here, a new zipper lighter, EDC. Check this out. Comes with a little holder pouch. Why is it stuck so bad? There you go. So you got it here, a zipper lighter, regular. And what's so special about that? So you put your lighter in here, boom. I mean, it's pretty cool. So tactical, everyday carry, carabiner holder, or you can put it over the belt loop, maybe on a backpack, and you have always a zipper with you. Very cool. That's a new design they got. Got it here, a couple of new all-light gadgets, especially this one. This one is just a copper flashlight. I love copper stuff. They even make copper zipper lighters, and they're very expensive. It will tarnish after a while, but it will make it look super cool and rustic. Wow, it's so hefty. Usually this size of flashlight, kitchen flashlight, is like plastic, different material. Wow, this one is so much better. So you just close it, spin it, flashlight on, brighter, off. So awesome. You know what? It is a lot better than a regular flashlight. And you got right here charger and everything. And another all-light gadget right here. This is a necklace charger. So that way you can either put it on your keychain or as a necklace. I don't know if they're gonna advertise it. No, not here. But yeah, this right here, open and close. Wow, that's magnetic, cool. Your light flashlight will have a charger right here. So you open this and take this out, and hopefully you can find a spare wire, because it doesn't come with it. So this will stay on your keychain, and then you find a spare wire, maybe in the car, and charge up your flashlight pretty easily. But that way the wire is pretty easy to find like that, but the charger like that is hard. So that's kind of fun to have as a keychain. Always have it with you to charge up your flashlight. Boca Knife just did a replica of a Japanese military knives and can opener. So there you go. It says history knife and tool. First of all, you have right here a little knife, Opens all the way out. Perfect 440A, that's a steel, and that's the same thing it says on it. And this is the can opener. Just like all those other ones, you just put it into your can this way right here, you see, and open it. Let's see if it works or not. There you go. Open it this way. The hook right here is not the best compared to those P38 can opener, those tiny ones, the United States ones. But as you can see, it does the job right here too. So this military can opener right here. You just go little by little. Kinda leverage it too. I drained it a little bit, that's why I made a second hole up there. The military, US military one is a lot more comfortable. This doesn't bite into the can that well. But it's cool because it comes also with the little knife too. Still very skinny, perfect. And also there's another little tool, another history knife. So this one is like looks like a multi-tool. So much better knife, a little saw, and another knife right here. That's cool. Less of a can opener, more of a better quality of a knife. But yeah, pretty cool Japanese military knife replica. This one is a little bit funny. This is like a hand axe, and this costs still around like $200, maybe 160, depends where you buy it. So you just pull this out, looks like this way. Ooh, oily, and I guess pieces of the holder came off. Look at that tiny bitty axe. You hold it this way. I don't know what you would be using for. Probably not so much camping and like chopping wood or anything, but it is quite fun. A little tiny like a hand axe. I guess you could use it more of like a knife. Definitely not chopping, but it is still really thick. I don't know. Let me know in comments below what it's made for. I gotta mention it though. This side here, razor sharp. I would say this is made like a knife. So yeah, there you go. If you need to work on something, I don't know, maybe bushcrafting, building stuff, it could be useful. Got it here, another Microtech knife. This one is card, so like feels like as thick as a credit card because it's made out of titanium, pretty sure. Let's say about it. Patent pending. These things are pretty vintage from 2015. Microtech. There's a name for it. But yeah, there's a bottle opener, 3 fingers hold. That's kind of fun, and a little blade. Wow, mirror polished. It's pretty sharp. Pretty fun card over here. It's actually pretty comfortable. Break up boxes and stuff like that. Never know when you need a little card. But yeah. Stick your finger in here and here. That is incredibly comfortable with my big hands. Wow. So everyday carry like a knife card for your wallet.